Siyempre, oo. Straight to the point. Oo naman, this din. Kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, lahat ng opportunities i-grab natin. As long as approved by the management, Sparkle. As long as approved ni Miss Tracy. And of course, kami kasi ni Will, nag-work na kami together. So, sa Mano po. So, last 2 years ago, I think. And interesting din na mag-work kami ulit. And now, yung question is with Bianca naman. Alam ko marami nag-aabang yan. Yeah, so, tititake natin yung opportunity na yan. At let's see kung ano yung mangyayari. But for now, sabihin ko yes.
Will, reaction to that? Reaction lang kasi. Tama naman.
Because I've worked with Dustin na rin and Bianca. And pareho silang friends ko. And then masasabi ko talaga na very, very professional sila. So I'm looking forward talaga na makatrabaho sila. Ulit, ngayon na nakalabas kami dito sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. And excited ako makita yung pag-grow nila, not just as a person, of course, kundi sa craft nila. And gusto ko rin, of course, ma-share namin together yung ganung, ano ba tawag yun? Basta yung craft na yun, gusto namin may share lahat ng mga.
Thank you.